Some of the products that I bought recently, I cannot wait to try because this is by HelloBody. I think they are quite reasonably new, and they came out with some awesome products which are cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free, all the good stuff, you name it. I strongly believe that you go ahead and research some of their products, but this is my first time reviewing their products and actually trying them, as I've been a sufferer of eczema and really struggling with keeping my skin hydrated, as my skin is very dry. I always look for very good, useful products for me to be able to use in a long run or a short term. It just depends. I do like to switch them up and occasionally, obviously try different products. So I really want to try this. I ordered this huge bundle of the whole sort of line that they have in the cocoa. I think they have it in aloe vera and some other oils that they might have. Basically, I went with the whole combo. So I went with the Coco Melt removing balm, and then I also bought the Detox facial cleanser, also the nighttime and daytime detox creams. I'm going to go straight into it and see how everything works and if it's a very nice product to use in the long run. So I'm going to start off with the cleansing balm, and let's see how it goes. So literally I'm about to remove my lashes that I have on. I've been actually recently experimenting with individuals, and I have to say it's so beautiful because it looks so natural, and I've been loving these, and they are so easy to apply, and I guess I can show you on the next video if you're interested. So I'm gonna try with the makeup remover balm, and literally this is cute. It's got like a little message in there, let it melt. It's quite cute. Anyways, wow, as I open this up, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty greasy and it looks very oily, which is very good for the skin. It says to apply and let it melt on your face, literally. It smells like coconut. It's amazing. It says that you're meant to be rubbing it until you melt away all your makeup, and starting with the face first, face and neck, and then working your way to the lips and eyes last. I think there's a reason for that, because that way it melts the first layer of just the foundation that I have on, and then obviously the messier parts is the ones that are obviously on the eyes and the lips, because that's where it gets more colorful. So as you can see, it's pretty greasy, and I've just been rubbing it into the skin, and oh my god, like it's really removing the makeup. I actually love it. The smell is really beautiful, and it feels so nice on the skin because obviously it's greasy. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I just want to try how it removes the eye makeup. Oh my god, very good. This is amazing. I think it even removes like waterproof mascara and everything you have, because obviously it's a greasy product. Now, very impressive. I think it's actually taken off my mascara as well, which is pretty awesome. And then it says to remove with some cotton pads. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab these and then gently remove all of this away. These products supposed to be really good and quite natural and saving the environment and the animals. What got me about this product is that it was paraben free. So next I'm going to be using the Detox face cleansing foam, which is to be sort of put on a wet skin. So I sort of put a little bit of water so you can see. This is the actual way it actually comes out as foam, and I'm just gonna do a few pumps and place that on my face. It almost looks like a shaving foam. Okay, so I'm quickly going to cleanse this, and then it says to rinse your face after this. I'm going to rinse this in front of you because obviously I want you to not miss out on any of the results. So I'm just using cotton bud with a clean water just to rinse it off my skin, just so that you can see straight away what it's gonna look like. Well, what is your skin gonna look like? Man, it looks pretty clean. This is pretty much how much residue has come off from the first original cleanser. So basically all done, it's all washed. The skin feels a little bit dry, and it did sting a little bit on my skin, which I didn't quite like. So I'm going to go into the nighttime cream now, the Detox nighttime cream. And I have actually tried this yesterday, and I really like the texture and the creaminess of it. So it's really thick and smooth and leaves your skin feeling really soft. So that's what I liked about it. Just gently massage this into my skin, and voila, you know, what do you know? Beautiful skin. Now that everything is done, I would like to kind of do a little review on these products. So basically I thought that this was all very natural, but when I did look into a few of these ingredients, it unfortunately had a little bit of alcohol, which I'm allergic to, sodium benzoate. Okay, so literally this is my skin right now. As you can see, I have been suffering with some allergies. The hay fever has been really killing me this year, so I've been struggling and battling with my skin, but I've been obviously using eye drops and nose drops and all kinds of stuff that you can think of. Back to the facts. So basically what I am going to do now is review a little bit of this products and how I like them. So I really enjoyed the balm remover. This is really greasy, really nice coconutty smell. It's got like a little bit coconut bits I think in there, and it's really nice on the skin. It removes the makeup perfectly, which I really love. So that's definitely a keeper. When it comes to the day cream, I've actually tried it. It's a bit more liquidy type, so it's more like cream that will not necessarily really moisture your skin. So it's very light on the skin, but it's not as moisturizing. So I would do like at least 2 layers, like leave it to settle into my skin and then do another layer maybe, just to stay a little bit more moist and hydrated because of my dry skin. But maybe for normal type of skin, or you know, sort of semi or oily, this will be perfect for you. In terms of the nighttime cream, I really like, because it's obviously much thicker and I have it on right now. It's more moisturizing, it's really soft and leaves your skin really smooth and soft. So I really like that. They all smell very nice, coconutty and stuff. The only thing that I didn't use is Pink Clay Mattifying Face Mask. That's the only one that I haven't used in this video, because obviously this is for someone that has oily skin, which then helps to mattify and take down the oils. Basically, I could do this as a little giveaway for someone that has oily skin. So please comment down below, follow me, check out the thumbs up, and please have your notification bell on so that you don't have to miss any more informative videos of health, beauty, fashion, and all kinds of tricks and tips. I really appreciate that you guys watched this video after a very long time of me being literally missing from here. I'm going to be releasing a video about why I had to have a little bit of a longer break off YouTube and really come back with a better rebranding of myself and of my career. Stay tuned for that, and also please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.